All right, Team USA, here we are the day before we step out to defend the cup. We all know what we're up against. The Jester family has never let this cup slip through their hands 2 years in a row. And guess what? They expect us to be just another bump in their road to reclaiming it. But they don't know us the way we know each other. We've been grinding, we've been pushing, and tomorrow we show them why we've still got what it takes to be champions. Yes, we're the underdogs. We've heard it all before. But being the underdog means we play with something they don't have: a fire, a hunger, and the freedom to surprise everyone, including ourselves. Tomorrow, it's about leaving everything out there. Play for each other. Play the hard work that got you here. And most importantly, play because you love this. That's the magic they can't take from us. When we step onto that golf course tomorrow, let's make sure they remember who we are. Not because we followed expectations, but because we defied them. This is our cup. This is our team. Let's go out there and defend it like we know how. Let's go, red, white, and blue.